How to fix grayed out UHQ Upscaler on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. You will see Sound and Vibration is here. Click on Sound and Vibration. Scroll down and click on Sound Quality and Effects. After click on Sound Quality and Effect, scroll down to end. You will see UHQ Upscaler is here. So if you want to fix gray out, so insert headphone pin. After insert headphone pin, you will see UHQ Upscaler is showing here. So turn on this button. After turn on UHQ Upscaler button, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix grayed out UHQ Upscaler on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.